Some of our churches, they are focused on other things. Other things. Are you aware that in some churches, the money they eat on Sabbath is even enough to run a crusade somewhere in our villages? Are you aware of that? But only for lunch. Are you aware that the people attend the camp meetings and eat almost every money they have collected? The money they have eaten and accommodation is even bigger. The amounts are bigger than the money returned in the treasury. Focus on other things. I know of churches which are focusing on programs. They are happy with the programs. They said, people from this area will come and say, man, do this, Sabbath, this, Sabbath, this. They have so many programs. Me, I even hear on our radios, people come prepared because after service, we'll be in Sheraton. After service, we will be in Hotel Africana. They spend a lot of money. It's not a sin, S-I-N. But we are supposed in this quinquennium to focus on what? With all our monies. Integrated for mission. Pastor, thank you when you talked about